Hi, I'm Darren Cordeaux, frontman for the band Kiss Chasey. I'm also the youth ambassador for Animals Australia. Most of us Aussies hate animal cruelty, but how much do you know about what happens to animals in this country? Here are some facts. Fact 1. In Australia, it is legal to commit acts of extreme cruelty on animals raised for food. We're talking about over 500 million animals a year. How could governments possibly allow this, you say? Because animals can't vote, and those who profit from cruel animal industries do. Fact 2. Almost all the pork, chicken and egg products sold in this country comes from animals raised on factory farms. You thought prisons were for criminals, right? Now you know why factory farms don't offer public tours. If you want to stop this, you can. Use the most powerful vote you have. Stop buying factory farm products. It's as simple as that. And if you want to make the ultimate choice for animals like I have, don't eat them at all. This isn't about animal rights. It's about righting human wrongs. Factory farming. It's Australia's secret shame. Join Animals Australia and help to end it. Forever.